Okay, children, today we are going to learn about lesson number 3, how many squares. Now, squares, children, square is a shape, a closed figure. But what about how many? So, today we are going to learn how to count the squares. You might be thinking, it is very easy. What is new to learn that? But no, this chapter really contains something new that you should learn and understand. Okay, here when we could talk about the counting of the squares, they both vary or they both differs in terms of perimeter and area. First of all, we are going to see about perimeter. Okay, now how you are going to define perimeter? It's easy. The sum of measure of all the sides or the boundaries of any closed figure is called the perimeter of that figure. Children, you can see in example I had drawn 4 boundaries with the help of a red pen. That red boundaries are the measurement of the perimeter, or you can see or say the sum of measurement of all the 4 red sides of a closed figure is called perimeter. The units used for perimeter are centimeter, meter and kilometer. Okay, now what about the formula? Children, specifically with the help of the formula we are going to study two shapes that are rectangle and square. Here you can see I had written formula to count the or calculate the perimeter of a rectangle. In rectangle we are having two lengths and two breadths. Now the length of two sides and the breadth of two sides are always of equal measure. Please remember that. Okay, now coming on to the formula for finding out the perimeter of rectangle. It's very easy. You can see the formula is of a rectangle, perimeter of a rectangle is 2 multiply small bracket L plus B. L is nothing but length and B is nothing but a breadth. Now how to calculate the perimeter of rectangle? You can see L and B are written in the small bracket along with addition sign, but outside I had written multiply by 2. That 2 is nothing but the length and breadth. As you can see on the previous page, length is repeated 2 times and breadth is also repeated 2 times. So because of this we had multiplied length and breadth with 2. Okay, this is the thing what we are supposed to see, but remember whenever we have any two numbers or three numbers given in a small bracket, you have to first apply the addition or subtraction whatever is given in between the numbers inside the bracket, and the answer of that numbers which are in the small bracket, afterwards we have to multiply by opening the bracket by 2. Hopefully this is clear to you. To make it more clear, you can see I had solved an example, that is length and breadth is given. Length is 8 cm, breadth is 4 cm. Now find out the perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula to find out perimeter of rectangle? It is to multiply L plus B into the bracket. 2 will be outside. Into bracket you can see 8 cm and 4 cm. First add 8 and 4, that is 12. So whenever you add 8 and 4, the bracket is removed, then you multiply the answer 12 into 2, that is 24 centimeter. Here children you can see I had written centimeter everywhere. These are the units what we are going to use for perimeter. It can be centimeter, meter or kilometer. Thank you.